Good morning, class. How are you? Fine, students. Students, in previous classes, we will discuss about the same chapter, force, work, and energy. That is our chapter number 10, and we completely discussed in previous videos. And today we will discuss its exercise solution. हम आज क्या करने वाले हैं? Exercise solution करने वाले हैं. And so for exercise solution, open your book and fill up your book from the video. Open your page number 25, B25. Open page number B25. Your first question is in the MCQ format. आपका first question is in the multiple choice question. Tick the correct. Okay. As you see in your screen, your questions are available on your screen. We read the question from the screen. Your first question is, the direction of a moving object can be changed by applying. कि the direction of moving object, it means आप object की direction, an object moves from in that position and you change its direction and you want to change its direction, then you apply some force. It means then you apply some force, then its direction will be changed. So here the first correct answer is force. Okay, tick on the आपका first question है, that is indicated by the A, and its substitute parts is first correct answer is force. Okay, first correct answer is the force. And the second question is, work is said to be done when you. Work is said to be done. It means work कब कहा जाता है? As we say, work is done said to be done when some body is displaced by applying our force. कि जब हम फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं तब बॉडी क्या करती है? डिस्प्लेस होती है, अपनी पोजीशन चेंज करती है. तो आप क्या कहते हो? वर्क. जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था कि बुक का एग्जांपल दिया था कि अगर आपकी मेरे हैंड के ऊपर क्या रखी हुई है? बुक रखी हुई है. इस तरह से हम कहते हैं ये वाली बुक रखी हुई है हमारे पास, और हम जब इसके ऊपर क्या करते हैं? हम इसको फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं तो इसकी बॉडी क्या हुई? डिस्प्लेस हुई. अगर और करते हैं तो ये क्या हो जाएगी? फोल्ड हो जाएगी. तो इसी तरह से हम उनकी बात कर रहे थे कि आपके वर्क हमेशा तब कहा जाता है तब बॉडी डिस्प्लेस होती है. इफ आई पुश दिस वॉल, then this wall does not change its position. So work is not done in the case of wall. Okay, work is done only in the case of book. When body is displaced, when body changes its position by applying the force, then work is said to be done. So for example, read a book. No, book is not displaced from its position. Push a wall. No, it is correct. Incorrect answer. Talk to your friend. False. Push a book. So your correct answer is the D option. Push a book. Push a book. So mark here. Question number third is, which of the following is not a lever? The question number third, it means which of the following is not a lever? What do you understand by the term lever? What is lever? Lever is a simple machine. Lever आपकी क्या होती है? Simple machine होती है in which you can lift up heavy objects. आप lift कर सकते हैं, उठा सकते हैं heavy objects को by easy method. Okay. So lever आपकी simple machine है. तो scissor is a lever, shisha is also lever, bottle opener is also lever, but ramp is an inclined plane that is in the slope. Okay, ramp it means कि आपका जो बुक है आप किस तरह से होगी तो रैम्प आप उनको कहते हो. तो रैम्प के शो द इंक्लाइंड प्लेन. सो हियर इन करेक्ट आंसर इज द रैम्प. योर फोर्थ पॉइंट इज, which of the following is a simple machine? Which of the following is a simple machine? As you know, lever, vase, screw, pulley, wheel and axle. इस तरह से आपकी वो क्या थी? सिंपल मशीन थी. हम बात करते हैं बुक. नो, बुक इज नॉट ए सिंपल मशीन. बोटल, नो. स्क्रू, या स्क्रू इज ए सिंपल मशीन. सो राइट हियर द स्क्रू. योर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज, steering wheel and screwdriver are the examples of. कि steering wheel and screwdriver are the examples of pulley, inclined plane, wheel and axle, wedge. What is the correct answer? कि steering wheel आपके किनके examples होते हैं? बिल्कुल सिंपल है बेटा, बताइए. तो आपके किनके example होते हैं? wheel and axle. wheel and एक्सल। इट मीन्स आपके जो व्हील्स हैं वो हमेशा एक रोड से क्या होंगे, बाइंड होंगे। जैसे जैसे रोड मूव करेगी उसी तरह से आपका क्या करेगा, व्हील भी मूव करेगा, या व्हील मूव करेगा तो आपका एक्सल भी मूव करेगा। ये आपका था क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। अब आता है आपका सेकंड क्वेश्चन, दैट्स नेम इज क्वेश्चन बी एंड इट्स substitutes question number 1. Write true, T for the true and F for the false. You have to write T and F for the true and false statement. So read your statement on page number B26. पेज नंबर हमारा क्या है, B26, and your first statement is a ball thrown up in the sky falls back due to the gravity. A ball, इट मीन्स ए बॉल थ्रोन अप, ऊपर फेंकी जाती है। थ्रोन अप में इट मीन्स बेटा ऊपर फेंकना, एंड इट ऑटोमेटिकली फॉल्स डाउन, वो हमेशा क्या आती है, नीचे आ जाती है। इट इज ड्यू टू द फ्रिक्शन, ग्रेविटी, फोर्स। व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट? सो मैम, द रीजन फॉर दिस इज ग्रेविटी, बिकॉज ग्रेविटी इज द फोर्स दैट इज done by it, that is produced by the earth to attract the object towards itself. It means gravity is that force in which earth attracts the object. So here the correct answer is the gravity. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा बेटा, ग्रेविटी की हम बात कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, ट्रू। हमारा क्या आएगा, ट्रू। राइट हेयर द टी। सेकेंड है फ्रिक्शन स्लोज और स्टॉप्स ए मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट। फ्रिक्शन स्लोज, बिल्कुल करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है, बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। फ्रिक्शन इज एन अपोजिट फोर्स दैट produced when an object in the motion. Friction is an opposite force that will be produced in when object in motion. So friction always slow the speed and it can be used to stop the object. So its statement is the true. And the next third statement is loads are loaded onto a truck by pushing them up using a pulley. No, it is a false statement because trucks are loaded by due to the inclined plane, with the help of inclined plane, not the pulley. So it is a false statement. Right here the false. And the fourth true false is a spoon used to open the lid of a tin acts as a vase. No, it acts as a lever. So it is also a false statement. Fifth is wind energy turns the blades of a solar cooker. False beta. Wind energy turns the blades of a windmill, not the solar cooker. So here correct statement is windmills. A wind energy turns the blades of a windmill, not the solar cooker. So it is also a false statement. Okay. Question number A and question number B are completed. Now we come to our question number C. Question number C. Question number C. Name the following, and your first question is any three form of energy. You have to write only any three form of energy. We have various type of energy: mechanical energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, solar energy, wind energy, light energy. You must have. You have only. You write only three. First is answer first. Wind energy. We write those energy that we will discuss in your chapter. Wind energy, solar energy, and the electrical energy. Okay. And the second question is any three simple machine. You have to write the only name of the three simple machine. We have 6 or 5 types of simple machine. First is lever. Second is inclined plane. Third is pulley, screw, etc. Question number third, two examples of lever. You have to write two examples of lever. So First is bottle opener. And the second is seesaw, etc. Fourth question is, it is used to cook food using solar energy. It is used to cook food using solar energy. It means क्या यूज किया जाता है टू कुक फूड यूजिंग सोलर एनर्जी? सोलर कुकर इज यूज्ड. Solar cooker is used to cook the food. Number 5 is, it is the most important source of energy on the earth. What is the important source? What is the ultimate source of energy on the earth? Sun. बिल्कुल सिंपल है. Sun is the ultimate source of the energy. So complete the question number A, question number B and question number C. Now we complete the question number D. Answer the following question. Write this. Now from question number D, read your question from your book. Your first question is, what is force and what are the uses of force? You have to write the definition of the force and its uses in answer number 1. What is force? A push or pull applied to an object is known as a force. A simple. It means you can write here a push or pull. A push or pull applied on an object a push or pull applied on an object is called force. Okay, and what are the uses of the force? So write here uses of force. Number 1, force can move an object. Number 2, force can stop a moving object. Force can change the direction of an object. Okay, and the fourth is force can change the speed of an object. Force can change the shape of an object. Okay, these are the 5 uses of the force. Okay, simple है. Then read your question number 2 from your book. What is work? And your question number 2 is, what is work? Work क्या है? Define the work in simple words. What is work? So it means you can say that work is said to be done. Work is said to be done Okay. When force applied to an object work is said to be done when force is applied to an object, change the position of an object, as we discussed in our true false. Okay, this is the definition of the work. And your next question is, what is energy? Name the two source of energy. क्वेश्चन नंबर आंसर नोट कीजिए क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड का. व्हाट इज एनर्जी? एनर्जी इज द एबिलिटी ऑफ डूइंग वर्क. सिंपल. So it means you can say that the energy, the ability of to the ability to do work is called energy. Okay, the ability to do work is called energy. And what are the main source of energy? So you write here the main source of energy are, number one is sun, number two is wind, नंबर थर्ड इज आप सन यूज कर सकते हो, आप विंड यूज कर सकते हो, एंड नेक्स्ट इज, अब ये टू ही कीजिए, आपको टू ही किए हुए आप टू ही कीजिए. ओके, नाउ राइट हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ. रीड योर क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ फ्रॉम योर बुक. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ? What are simple machine? Describe any two simple machine. You have to explain. Yeah, you have to define. First of all, what is simple machine, and then you have to explain any two. So it means the tools used to make our work easier. You can write here. The tools used to make our, हाँ आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. The tools used to make our work easier are called simple machine. For example, lever, pulley, screw, etc. And the explanation, first explanation, you write here the explanation of the pulley. तो पुली का एक्सप्लेनेशन आप किस तरह से करेंगे? पुली कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए, राइट हियर, ए पुली of a grooved wheel and a rope. It is used to lift heavy objects easily. Okay, a pulley consists of a grooved wheel and a rope. It is used to lift heavy objects easily. It means a pulley consists wheel in the shape of the grooved. It means corners are in upper format and middle is in lower, and in that middle a rope is fixed and it is used to lift a heavy object as you used in well. Now it's not common, but in ancient time it is common method. Second simple machine explanation is Inclined plane. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a slope. An inclined plane is a slope used to move heavy objects. It is used to lift the heavy object, but it is used to move the heavy objects to a height. To a height easily. For examples, you can write here slanted road, ramp, slanted road, etc. Okay. So today you have to write the question number first, second and third and fourth from the answer the following and fill the exercise in your book from the video. Okay beta, thank you, have a nice day.